Hi students, in this video we'll see about human endocrine glands. Exocrine glands and endocrine glands are of two kinds of glands found in animals. Endocrine glands are found in different regions of the body of animals as well as in human beings. These glands are called ductless gland. Their secretions are called hormones. The branch of biology which deals with the study of endocrine glands and its physiology is known as endocrinology. Endocrine glands present in human and other vertebrates are pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, pancreas or islets of Langerhans, adrenal gland, gonads and thymus gland. Now we'll see the locations of these endocrine glands. Pituitary glands located at the base of the midbrain. Thyroid and parathyroid glands are located at the neck region. Islets of Langerhans or pancreas is located at the loop of stomach. Adrenal glands are located on the kidneys. Gonads are located in the pelvic region and outside the body. Thymus is present in chest region. Now we'll see. Pituitary gland forms the major endocrine gland in most vertebrates. It regulates and controls other endocrine glands and so is called the master gland. It has two lobes. The anterior lobe secretes growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, gonadotrophic hormone and prolactin. Growth hormone promotes the development and enlargement of all tissues of the body. The improper secretion of this hormone leads to dwarfism, gigantism and acromegaly. Thyroid stimulating hormone controls thyroid. Adrenocorticotropic hormone regulates protein synthesis in kidney. Gonadotrophic hormones is essential for the normal development of gonads. And follicle stimulating hormones in male stimulates the germinal epithelium of testes for formation of sperms. And in female it initiates the growth of ovarian follicles and its development in ovary. Luteinizing hormone in male promotes the Leydig cells of the testes to secrete male sex hormone, testosterone. In female, it causes ovulation. Prolactin initiates the development of mammary glands during pregnancy and it stimulates the production of milk after childbirth. And the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland secretes vasopressin and oxytocin. Vasopressin reduces the loss of water through urine and hence the name antidiuretic hormone. The deficiency of antidiuretic hormone leads to diabetes insipidus. And oxytocin helps in the contraction of the smooth muscles of uterus at the time of childbirth and milk ejection from the mammary gland after childbirth. Pituitary gland. Thyroid gland is composed of two distinct lobes. These two lobes are connected by means of a narrow band of tissue known as the isthmus, which produces two thyroid hormones. They are triiodothyronin, that is T3, and tetraiodothyronin or thyroxine, that is T4. The functions of these thyroid hormones are to produce the energy by maintaining the basal metabolic rate, which helps to maintain normal body temperature, which influences the activity of central nervous system, controls the growth of the body and bone formation. They are essential for normal physical, mental and personality development. Hence it is known as personality hormone. The parathyroid glands are four small oval bodies that are situated on the posterior surface of the thyroid lobes. The functions of parathormone is nothing to regulate the calcium and phosphorus metabolism in the body. They act on bone, kidney and intestine to maintain blood calcium levels. Pancreas acts as both exocrine and endocrine gland. It has two cells, the alpha cells and beta cells. Alpha cells secrete glucagon, beta cells secrete insulin. Insulin helps in the conversion of glucose into glycogen. It promotes the transport of glucose into the cells. It increases the concentration of glucose in blood. Glycogen helps in the breakdown of glycogen to glucose in the liver. It increases blood glucose level. The deficiency of insulin causes diabetes mellitus. The adrenal glands are located above each kidney, hence they are known as suprarenal glands. The outer part of adrenal gland is known as adrenal cortex and the inner portion is known as adrenal medulla. Adrenal cortex produces glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids and cortisol hormones. They regulate cell metabolism, they stimulate the formation of glucose from glycogen in the liver. It is an anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic agent. Especially this cortisol hormones is otherwise known as life-saving hormone because it helps to recover from the severe effects of the stress reactions. Thus, an increased output of cortisol is life-saving. And the adrenal medulla secretes epinephrine and norepinephrine. They are together known as emergency hormones. Thymus is partly an endocrine gland and partly a lymphoid gland. It is located in the upper part of the chest cavity. Thymosin is the hormone secreted by the thymus. It has a stimulatory effect on the immune function. It stimulates the production of differentiation of lymphocytes. Glands are of two types, the testes and the ovaries. The testes are present in male while the ovaries are present in female. Testes produces testosterone and ovary produces estrogen and progesterone. Testosterone influences the process of spermatogenesis and the estrogen and progesterone influences the oogenesis. Glands are of